Hello guys, and welcome to episode number 3. Let's go back to the year of 2014 when I was 17 years old and I just bought my dream car. I've just bought an Ep.3 525 1 week before I turned 18. It was a M50 B25 non-bonus 90s model. So that was just between the change of like M20 engine and the M50. So I got the M51 with 192 horsepower. So that was quite a lot actually for a guy at my age, just 18, but it still is. I still have a 325 with the same amount of horsepower, but back at that time it was a lot of fun. I bought that, as I said, 1 week before turning 18, so I had 1 week of working on it and fixing on it before I needed it to be road legal. Legal in time. So I bought those 1-day license plates. So I bought those 1-day license. So I bought those 1-day license plates. So I bought those 1-day license plates, and I bought those for the next day after I turned 18 and I got my license. So I would have like a full day of driving. And I did have a full day of driving, and that was quite fun actually. It was quite a nice ride, both to and from the shop, and all the day actually. It was just great. The whole day was just top notch. It was so much fun driving a BMW on my own, alone, and be able to just drive and enjoy the car all by myself, legally. I got it through the EU control. So now I can have plates on it and I can enjoy it every day and use it as my daily, and that was a lot of fun.
plass der. Der var jeg klar for krasj, ass. Fuck. Oi. Det er alle som kjørt ut da? Ja. Det er jo det. Ja. Bare skikkelig moro på slutten nå, fy søren. Nå var det der, jeg likte det, jeg fikk brekket og lagt meg inn i, å fytti. Ja, det var deilig.
What car did you guys drive back when you were 18 years old? Comment in the comment section below and tell me what car you drove when you were 18 years old, or what car you would like to drive when you're turning 18. Okay, let's get back to the story. Then it got really fast. It was winter time, and that was my first winter with a rear-wheel drive BMW. Alone, of course. I have driven BMWs and my Mercedes in the winter before, but not alone, like not 100% alone. So that was also a lot of fun times. My car did have a 25% LSD differential, so that was my first time with the LSD diff, and my last time. None of my cars have LSD diff, but so that was a lot of fun with LSD diff. It's very good for drifting in the snow, and it's actually also very good for like just getting where you want to go in the winter. You can, like, the car can go like, goes really good in the snow. It never gets stuck, almost never gets stuck, because it will always spin on both wheels instead of just spinning on one wheel when that's the easiest. So snow was a lot of fun, and winter time in general was a lot of fun. Sometimes I was very stupid and very lucky.
Wow! Steike, der skulle tenke vi oss smelt med ræva der. Ja, det føltes som jeg var faktisk en følelse som var godkjent.
Anyways, spring came. I felt like I had more experience than ever, and I did really start to enjoy this car, like a lot. There's nothing to argue with that. I do like summertime the best, so after a long and cold winter, it was really good to finally see the sun and some dry roads again, so that was a lot of fun. And I did a lot of burnouts and drifting with the car as well, as you can see, and I spent way too much money on the car, so at one point I did actually decide that I wanted to sell it. That was mostly because I used way too much money on it. When it was something was fixed, another thing broke. So constantly I was changing parts and always changing things and using a lot of money on it. I mean, I used twice the amount that I paid for it on like fixing on it. So I used a lot on fixing on it, and when I sold it for less than I bought it for. So that project was the worst. Seriously, that was the worst project I have ever had, like financially. I lost so much money on it, but in some way it was also maybe one of my best projects, because it was so much, like remembering back on it now it's 5 years ago. Wait, is it 5 years ago? It's 14. It's 4 years ago. 5 years ago. Time flies. Anyways, wow. Yeah, okay, anyways. I really remember that car, and it was such a good experience when I was 18 years old, and I can enjoy that car, and it was a lot of fun. But I also had bought myself an Ep.3, and at that time it was too expensive to own two cars, and I would kind of like to try different BMWs, not just have one. So after like maybe more than 6 or 7 months, I don't know, I think I didn't have it for longer, I don't know, I bought it in October and sold it in June maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so not for too long I owned that car. But anyways, it was a really good car and I really enjoyed it, but I lost way too much money on it, so that's why I decided to sell it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and feel free to subscribe with notification. That would make me very happy. And also maybe consider subscribing to follow me on my Instagram account at Films as well. And I hope I see you in the next and 4th episode, when we're gonna take a look back at my E39, which I bought after this beautiful and beloved E34 525. Hope I see you in the next episode and have a good evening. Goodbye.